Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss some of the Nearpod basics. To start with your Nearpod, you're going to go to nearpod.com and log in. When you log in, this will be your first screen that you will see. So you will see your lessons on the bottom right, and you will be able to scroll through any lessons that you previously have created or have used. You will see that there is the ability to create, and when you create, you can create a lesson. You can create a video lesson with built-in questions. You can create a activity, or you can work on Nearpod and create within Google Slides. You're also able to make folders to categorize your lessons so that they're easy to find, and the folders will look like this that you can place your lessons in. There is another create button at the top right, which gives you the same options as this create button. There is a quick launch button, and that lets you just launch an activity without a full lesson. Then on the left side of your screen, you will see you have your lessons, which would bring you to this page, a report tab, which will take you to all of your student reports so you can see your data. You have a tab for subplan, so you can create a plan for a substitute teacher. You have access to a school library where you could see anything that we add into our P37 library for staff to use. There is access to the district library. And then we also have content from Nearpod's library. And this has premium lessons and features that you can take and run with. And it gives you all different categories that you could search and use for your lessons. And then on the bottom, they have teacher resources. So this will open up and you're able to find resources to support you with Nearpod. And that might mean going to a live webinar and they'll show you their events and when you have different professional developments going on that they're giving that you can attend. They have all videos, so in case you've forgotten how to do something or want to learn how to do something, you can go into their videos. They have teacher and admin resources. They have a blog, and they also have their educator communities. So this is some of the basics of Nearpod and accessing the site.